Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home decor and design. Today, we're diving into the world of sidewalk edging design and learn about different materials, benefits, and creative ideas to transform your outdoor space. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. This often overlooked element can significantly enhance the curb appeal and functionality of your outdoor space. Join me as we explore various design options, materials, and benefits to help you create a stunning and personalized patio or garden. Sidewalk edging, also known as landscape edging, is a decorative element used to define the boundaries between your patio, garden, or walkway and the surrounding lawn or other areas. It serves both aesthetic and practical purposes, providing a clean and polished look while preventing grass, weeds, and soil from encroaching onto your paved surfaces. Now that we've explored the various styles and materials for sidewalk edging, let's delve deeper into the practical advantages it offers. As we discussed, sidewalk edging serves as a stylish and functional element in your outdoor space. But beyond its aesthetic appeal, it provides several tangible benefits that can enhance your overall enjoyment of your patio or garden. First, enhanced curb appeal. Sidewalk edging adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to your outdoor space, making it more visually appealing. Second, improved functionality. By preventing grass and weeds from spreading onto your patio or walkway, edging helps to maintain a clean and tidy appearance. Third, increased property value. A well-designed outdoor space, including sidewalk edging, can increase the value of your home. Fourth, versatility. Sidewalk edging comes in a wide variety of materials, styles, and colors, allowing you to customize your outdoor space to match your personal taste. There are countless ways to decorate your sidewalk edging to create a visually stunning and inviting outdoor space. Here are a few ideas. First, add plants and flowers. Incorporate colorful plants and flowers along your edging to create a vibrant and lively border. Second, use decorative stones or pebbles. Add texture and interest to your edging by using decorative stones or pebbles. Third, install outdoor lighting. Illuminate your sidewalk edging with outdoor lights to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Fourth, experiment with different materials. Consider using a combination of materials, such as stone, brick, and wood, to create a unique and eye-catching design. The best material for sidewalk edging depends on your personal preferences, budget, and the overall style of your outdoor space. Here are some popular options. 1. Stone. Durable, versatile, and available in a wide range of styles and colors. 2. Brick. Timeless and classic, adding a traditional touch to your outdoor space. 3. Wood. Natural and warm, creating a rustic and inviting atmosphere. 4. Metal. Modern and sleek, offering a contemporary look. 5. Plastic. Affordable and low maintenance, but may not be as durable as other materials. And to complete your inspiration, here are the compilation of the top 10 best sidewalk edging design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Curved edging. Create a flowing and organic look with curved edging. This design option is perfect for irregular-shaped patios or gardens, as it can help to soften the edges and create a more natural feel. 2. Patterned edging. Add visual interest to your outdoor space with patterned edging, such as herringbone or brickwork. This design can be used to create a focal point or to complement the overall style of your home. 3. Double row edging. Create a thicker and more substantial border with double row edging. This design is ideal for areas where you want to provide a more defined separation between your patio or garden and the surrounding lawn. 4. Inlaid edging. Incorporate decorative elements, such as stones or tiles, into your edging for a unique and personalized look. This design can be used to create a mosaic pattern or to add a touch of color and texture to your outdoor space. 5. Raised edging. Create a defined and elevated border with raised edging. This design can help to prevent grass and weeds from encroaching onto your patio or walkway, while also adding a touch of visual interest. 6. Stacked stone edging. Create a rustic and natural look with stacked stone edging. This design is perfect for creating a traditional or country-style outdoor space. 7. Brick paver edging. Add a classic and elegant touch to your outdoor space with brick paver edging. This design can be used to complement the style of your home and create a cohesive look. 8. Metal edging. Create a modern and sleek look with metal edging. This design is ideal for contemporary style homes and can be used to add a touch of sophistication to your outdoor space. 9. Wood plank edging. Add a natural and warm element to your outdoor space with wood plank edging. This design can be used to create a rustic or cottage-style look. 10. Combination edging. Mix and match different materials to create a unique and personalized look. This design option allows you to combine various styles and textures to create a one-of-a-kind border. Sidewalk edging is a versatile and affordable way to enhance the beauty and functionality of your outdoor space. By carefully considering your design preferences, materials, and budget, you can create a stunning and inviting patio or garden. For more inspiration and design ideas, be sure to subscribe to our Homes Decor Designs channel and check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.